Ready, drop.
Drop.
Okay. All right, how many throws is this?
One.
One. Oh, she's chasing it. Good throw.
Drop.
There's a lot of bugs out here.
One.
Ready, drop it.
Drop. She always gets it when I drop it.
Yeah, she likes me to throw it. But you're learning.
Two.
Oh, you got me. That hit my leg. Hey. Okay. Here comes number 3. Oh, are you trying to hit me? That almost got me. Yeah, I'm going to stand over here so you don't get me. Ready, drop.
Freya just picked it from my stick.
It is May 4th. Good throw. All right, bye-bye, honey.
That's 3.
Yep, keep going.